First of all, congratulations to Dr. Paki for getting such an amazing rank. Uh, I would just like all of you to know that we have with us Dr. Paki who got 365 rank, and she's from VMMC Safdarjung Hospital. So congratulations. How do you feel? First of all, tell me that that's in such an amazing rank.
Yes, ma'am, it is an amazing. It was a surprise only.
No, no, you must
Suddenly
have
the results
studied.
came. We were not prepared for the results, so they came, and yes, 365 was a great number to see.
Yeah. It is a very nice. So, I hope I'm pronouncing your name correct, right? It is Dr. Paki, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, Dr. Paki, actually, everybody here, a lot of students will be watching this interview, and they all want to know that how did you prepare your, or how did you do your preparation in terms of which year you have started, which platform you have used, how did you manage your postings, hospitals, along with your studies? So, can you tell us a little bit about each and everything?
मैम कंसिस्टेंसी तो स्टार्टिंग से ही मेंटेन रखी थी पढ़ने में कि फाइनल
Mhm.
एग्जाम्स के लिए पढ़ना है अच्छे से।
Mhm.
तो ऐसे नीट की प्रिपरेशन इतनी जल्दी स्टार्ट नहीं करी थी। फाइनल ईयर में थोड़ी सीरियसनेस आई थी कि हाँ थोड़ा नीट के लिए भी प्रिपेयर करना है। सो सारे नोट्स अच्छे से फाइनली गो थ्रू करके एंड इंटर्नशिप से आई वाज लाइक कि स्टार्टिंग से ही थोड़ा वो रखना है कि यूजुअली थोड़ा लेट हो जाता है स्टार्ट करने में, तो आई वाज लाइक कि स्टार्टिंग से ही स्टार्ट करनी है प्रिपरेशन। तो क्योंकि सब कुछ नया होता है इंटर्नशिप में, एवरीथिंग इज न्यू, कि
Mhm.
सब कुछ नया एक्सपोजर है, तो उसमें एडजस्ट करने के लिए भी टाइम लगता है। नाइट शिफ्ट्स एंड ऑल, मॉर्निंग
Mhm.
शिफ्ट्स, तो वी आर टायर्ड, इतनी आदत नहीं होती काम करने की।
Mhm.
तो जस्ट ट्राइड कि स्टार्टिंग से थोड़ी कंसिस्टेंसी रहे कि आई मतलब go I should go through all the notes at least twice
Mhm.
during my internship and
So when did you join DAMS? Like, can you tell us that how or when you start your preparation in terms of pre-PG? Which year of your
the
MBBS?
test series of dams in internship.
Okay. And in general, like from third year, fourth year, do you start preparing or did you do something in terms of like pre-PG? Because that is the main question when we also go in.
Yes, मैम, yes मैम, कोचिंग की ही वीडियो से सपोर्ट रहता था बिकॉज टेक्स्ट बुक्स
Hmm.
तो वहाँ काफी एक्सटेंसिव टू स्टडी एंटायरली। तो यही
Uh-huh.
सब सपोर्ट रहता था। तो डीबीएमसी एंड डैम्स के ही लेक्चर्स आई वॉच्ड इन थर्ड एंड फोर्थ ईयर
Mm-hmm.
फॉर alternate subjects. So and
Mm-hmm.
yes, डैम्स की टेस्ट सीरीज आई डिड एंड लास्ट टाइम में जो ट्रांसफॉर्म एक सीरीज आती है, एमआईक्यू सीरीज आती है डैम्स की, दैट वाज सो मच हेल्पफुल।
Mm-hmm.
एंड डीबीटी तो यस आई लास्ट में प्रिपरेशन तो डीबीटी से ही करा है पूरा। तो इट वाज अ लॉट ऑफ सपोर्ट लास्ट में, क्योंकि लास्ट मंथ में ऐसा रहता है कि सबसे ज्यादा कंफ्यूजन का टाइम होता है कि क्या करना चाहिए लास्ट मंथ में, कि
Mm-hmm.
सब कुछ नहीं कर
And
सकते।
actually, I think the key to the success is those last few days because
लास्ट फ्यू डेज
but,
अब कोई उसमें
हाँ,
ये अगर आपका मेंटल स्टेट इज यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट इनफ,
true.
तो
Hmm.
उसमें तो डांस का बहुत ही ज्यादा सपोर्ट है। क्योंकि आई हैड डीवीटी, तो मन में था कि हाँ मेरे पास सोर्स है, आई एम नॉट कंफ्यूज कि मुझे क्या करना है लास्ट मिनट में, क्योंकि
True.
वापस से सब कुछ गो थ्रू करना तो वाज नॉट पॉसिबल इन द लास्ट फ्यू डेज।
Yes,
So
yes.
that was a great support. Then NEET PG marathon, so I
Hmm.
made sure कि 2 days completely I should watch it.
Hmm.
कि
So actually, when you attend these things, like you find out what are your weak points and what are those areas where you have to focus more. So
yes,
I think that's a very interesting point, Paki, you have brought here, and that is the end moment revisions. And she started with the word consistency. That is something, what have happened in a lot of students. They heard about the news of postponement of NEET PG.
yes,
So
ma'am.
that in a lot of students, that has given a negative feedback in their preparations. They started, maybe they have started some Netflix series and something, and that has taken a lot of time and that consistency from them. And that was the reason a lot of them who were in a good track initially, they have lost it in
I
between.
was also about to go to lose the track, but I made sure कि ठीक है ज्यादा रिवाइज नहीं हो पा रहा, but I made sure कि
हाँ,
last कि at the end of the day I have done sufficient questions at least, कि if I am not
हाँ,
able to study, क्योंकि थोड़ा रहता है कि चलो अब थोड़ा टाइम और मिल गया पढ़ने के लिए, तो I have sufficient time।
yes.
तो उस टाइम पे थोड़े से इन द इनिशियल डेज आई वाज लाइक कि चलो ठीक है इतना अच्छे से रिवीजन नहीं हो पा रहा है, बट क्वेश्चंस तो कर ही सकते हैं सॉल्व एटलीस्ट कि
हाँ, so you have not wasted your time completely.
हाँ
मतलब
कि
जिस दिन मन नहीं हो रहा, you thought चलो कुछ क्वेश्चन
क्वेश्चंस
भी
कर
कर लूँ.
लेते हैं, रिवीजन
हम्म.
प्रीवियस ईयर्स देख लेते हैं या फिर कुछ नए क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट कर लेते हैं। तो
हम्म.
उस टाइम पे वो सारी डैम्स की सीरीज तो सब्जेक्ट वाइज आते ही थे, रिवीजन वीडियोस, तो
हम्म.
ये सब देख के।
और अगर मैं पूछूं लाइक व्हाट वाज द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ अटेम्प्टिंग अ जीटी और लाइक अगर डेली बेसिस पे पूछूं तो कितना रहता था, हाउ मेनी क्वेश्चंस यू यूज्ड टू डू, एंड इफ आई आस्क यू द कंप्लीट 19 सब्जेक्ट का ग्रांड टेस्ट, हाउ फ्रीक्वेंट यू यूज्ड टू गिव इन द लास्ट फ्यू मंथ्स, बिकॉज दैट इज अ वेरी
इंटर्नशिप
इंपॉर्टेंट
में तो
क्वेश्चन.
मैम इतना नहीं रहता था, बट आई कंप्लीटेड माई इंटर्नशिप इन अप्रैल. So
Okay.
then I made sure कि every at least 2 weeks in the April and May time, कि at least every 2 weeks I tried to give one test.
As much as possible.
हाँ, and in the last month I tried कि every 4 to 5 days I should give attempt a test, क्योंकि उस time इतना रिविजन पे होता नहीं है कि what to study, what not to study. तो उस time रहता है कि practice करके you gain confidence कि हाँ चलो हो रहे हैं questions.
Or other, in case if you're not able to do a question, or if the question was getting wrong, what was your approach? Like, was it going back to that subject, reading the whole subject again, or you used to just read that one particular topic which you're consistently doing wrong? Like
वैसे
when you're assessing, like GT assessment, how you used to do it?
first तो my approach was that कि when I have given the GT I would review, मतलब filter लगा के I would review first of all the wrong questions that I have attempted and the questions which I left. And then I would used to start again from question number 1, what extra I can understand that what I have done correct, because sometimes we just guess our answer and it comes correct. So then I made sure कि when I am revising again in the second time that I don't do that correct option wrong with the question.
Okay.
And
So,
consistently per topic is I am repeating. So yeah, I thought I just go through it once.
So, Paki, it was a big achievement and, like amazing. I can totally understand how good you must be feeling. Everybody at home must be very, very happy. If I ask you just out of the track question, like which branch you're interested in, like, because actually, what happened is we do not think of branch much when we are preparing. Okay.
Exactly. We are like,
जो मिल जाए ले
the
लेंगे.
paper based on the rank we will think. So
Yes.
still not finalized,
Not thought of.
but between radio and medicine I'm a bit confused ki what should I take. So
And then, chalo, that's great. So just last thing, Paki, I want to just want you to tell, because there are many students who will be watching us this interview. So what are those points, like, or the last important message you want to give to all those who are still preparing, that what should be those 3 things which you have to keep in your mind while preparing for any exam?
firstly, तो consistency is a must. कि from the day one, मतलब
करना ही है every day, some hours.
जितना जल्दी हो सके, एंड कि पूरा दिन वेस्ट नहीं. ठीक है, there are times when we are not मतलब in a state of mind to study or something, but yes, at least we can do some questions and all, so that we are satisfied कि हाँ at the end of the day we have not wasted it. Because मेन यही होता है कि at the end of the day regret नहीं होना चाहिए कि I wasted it. तो that is a vicious cycle कि regret हो गया और नहीं पढ़ा जा रहा, फिर और regret हो गया और depression हो रहा है. तो थोड़ी सी consistency is a must. And grand test तो सब लोग ही कहते हैं सारे कि we should give it and review it thoroughly, क्योंकि वो सबसे important होता है. And maybe I thought कि इतने around marks ही we usually get in the exam also, which we get in the GT.
Plus minus 10, I think, plus minus 5 to 10 आप assume कर
और
सकते
main तो last few days का ही main सब कुछ रहता है कि how you are in a state of mind, क्योंकि सबसे ज्यादा up and downs तभी आता है कि we are very much टेंशन भी होती है, क्वेश्चन गलत हो रहे हैं और ये मुझे याद भी नहीं है स्ट्रेस में, तो उस सब चीजों.
Chalo, anyway, everything is done now. You have done it very, very amazingly. So thank you, Paki, for joining here, and congratulations once again. I hope you get whatever you deserve and whatever you want. Chalo, so I think we should end this here. Bye-bye and have a nice day.
Thank you so much.